Hey everyone, welcome to the Kamrul Hassan English Club. In today's lesson, I will teach you 20 common sentences in English that you can use in your daily conversation. This sentence will help you sound more natural and confident. So let's get started. Number 1. How are you? Use this to ask about someone's well-being. Number 2. I'm fine, thank you. A polite way to respond to how are you. Number 3. What's your name? Ask someone's name politely. Politely. Number 4. My name is. Your name. Introduce yourself. Number 5. Where are you from? Ask about someone's country or city or his location, where he lived. Number 6. I'm from. Say your city or country. Answer about your locations. Nice to meet you. Use this when meeting someone new. Number 8. What do you do? Ask about someone's job or professions. Number 9. I work as a. Say your job. Tell about your profession. Number 10. Can you help me, please? Use this when you need assistance. Number 11. Excuse me. Say this to get someone's attention politely. 12. Sorry, I didn't understand. Use this when you need clarification. Number 13. Could you repeat that, please? Ask someone to say something again. Number 14. What time is it? Ask for the time. Number 14. I don't know. Say this if you don't have the answer. Number 16. How much is this? Ask for price of something. Number 17. That's too expensive. Use this if something costs too much. Number 18. Can I get a discount? Ask for a lower price politely. Number 19. See you later. Say this when leaving. 20. Take care. A friendly way to say goodbye. That's it for today's lesson. These sentences are very useful in daily life. Try to practice them every day. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.